Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this vlog we are going to Paris, or as we call it, Paris. We went there about 16 years ago in 2006 and we had lots of great time. I went with my parents, my dad and my mom. Unfortunately, my brother Timas he couldn't come with us, and we went there. We visited many different places, many historic ones and famous ones. It was phenomenal. We visited a Louvre Museum. There is a Persian section from Iran in Louvre as well. We visited Eiffel Tower, Godan and Orsay Museum. We visited Versailles and Montmartre. We visited many places. Maybe I can recall them all now in this vlog. And we had many photos for each day because we stayed there for 1 month. We had videos as well, but in this vlog I chose only some photos and I couldn't use videos because the formats were different, you know. So we visited many places. Even my birthday took place there. It was 8th of September 2006, and I got presents. Especially one present was an MP3 player from one of my uncles. I got so happy and thrilled, now I am recording in park. It is raining. Paris is such a romantic place. It's a must visit. I recommend it highly to everyone. I hope one day I can visit there because now my French is better and I can speak French there. On those days my French was very low. I only knew some basic words. For example, deux baguettes s'il vous plaît. J'espère que vous allez bien. I mean, I am saying this second sentence now, not on those days. It means that I hope everyone is okay. And the first was two baguettes, I mean 2 breads, please. Okay, as you see, we visited many places. My dad is so into cars, so he visited car exhibition as well. We ate many delicious foods, sausages, I mean many different delicious food. We had great times. We even go to any place you can imagine, Lafayette for example, and many other places. Now that I am recording the voice, maybe I forget to tell the name of all the places, but as you see in the picture, we go even to Disneyland. It was a dream come true, and I love Disney characters, and there were many shops and there were many different places we could go. For example, we went to a underground pirate cave. It was very enjoyable and exhilarating. We visited Montmartre. Even in this photo, this is, for example, my car. I'm just kidding. I can't afford that car. And my grandma was there too. Now that I am seeing her photos, I miss her very much. My dad and my mom are the loveliest people on earth. Also my brother, but he couldn't manage to come. Bye bye for now. Goodbye. Have a nice day. See you soon.